Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time to learn how to restore the system audio settings to default in Windows 11. So, if your audio isn't working properly, restoring your audio settings to default can often fix the problem. In this hands-on guide, I'll show you how to perfectly reset the audio settings in Windows 11 to get back to the original setup. That's it, let's get started. So first off, on your taskbar, right-click the speaker icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from the menu that pops up, click on the sound settings to proceed. And under the output section, find and select your audio device like your speakers or headphones. Then once you have selected it, you have to click on Device Properties option for more detailed settings related to your audio device. And then you have to scroll down and select Additional Device Properties. Now a new dialog box will open with advanced options. And in the new window, navigate to the Advanced tab. At the bottom of this tab, you will see a Restore Defaults option. Then you have to click on this very button to reset all sound settings for this device back to factory defaults. And then you have to click on the Apply button, and then you have to hit OK to save changes. Then you have to test your audio. This should reset any customizations that might have been affecting the sound quality on your Windows device, and that's pretty much it. Restoring audio settings to default is a quick way to resolve many sound issues in Windows 11. If this guide has helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Take care, bye-bye.